Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a Discord account. So first of all, open Discord apps. Click on register. If you want to phone or email, now I'm using email. Click on next. Set up display name. Click on next. Set up your strong password. Tap on next and customize your birthday. And finally tap on create an account. Or if you want to add your profile, next. Okay, now done. That's how you can easily create your Discord account. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more videos.